Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Thursday, April 30th. Have a great day. Today is a day 6. Morning, Longfellow parents and students. Today, make sure you check the checklist and get everything that you need to get done. And super exciting is tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, and we'll go from 10 until noon. We are going to go on to Google Meet. Google Meet is kind of the Zoom of Google, and we've gotten permission to use this. So at 10 o'clock, or right around 10 o'clock, we will email you and everybody in the pod, and you just go into that email, and there's a code in there. Just cut and paste the code into Safari. Should take you right to our Google Hangout, or I'm sorry, it's not Google Hangout, it's to Google Meet, and then you'll be able to meet with us. And the point of it is we want to see everybody. We want to be able to talk to you. We'll get as many people there. You can come in for just a short time, even just to say hello. If you want to stick around a little bit longer, that's fine. If you wanted to come right at 10, if you want to come at 11, anytime between 10 and noon, we'll be there. You can kind of come in, say hi, and then go out, and I believe you'll see other people. And this is a kind of, it'll be nice for us to see you, but it's also kind of a test for us too, because into the next few weeks, or until the end of the school, we'll be available that we can do meetings if you have questions about school, or if you want to, if we can do some small group work, and we'll sort those things out a little bit later. So just be aware, tomorrow, right around 10, you'll get an email from one of us, and it'll give you a code, and you just put that code into Safari, or it might even just ask you do you want to join. Go ahead, join. It'll ask you if you want to use the microphone. If you use the camera, say yes you do, and then you'll just pop in right with our meeting. So we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. It's super exciting. So at 10 o'clock, be aware from that. Hey, have a great day. See you tomorrow.